Guys, we'll be listing top 10 toughest examinations in the world. Top 10 toughest examinations in the world. We know that there are so many tough examinations in the world, so we're going to list 10 most difficult. So it's just this statistics is based on the ones they've like recognized, try to compare it with others. I know there might be other exams that might be as tough or even tougher than these ones, but this is the standard one, like the statistics we have. Okay, let's start from the 10th place. In the 10th place, we have California bar exam. California is a state in the United States. So California bar exam. So this is for graduates who can be inducted into the bar society. It is conducted over 3 days for 18 hours. So California bar exam is in the 10th place, which is organized in the US. Then in the 9th place, we have USMLE. USMLE, equally organized in the US. This test for professionals wishing to practice medicine in the United States. So those that want to practice medicine in the United States, this is the exam they write. So this is known as the 9th toughest examinations in the world. And in the 8th place, we have GATE. That is G-A-T-E. GATE, G-A-T-E. This GATE exam is organized in India. Mostly India, although there are other countries that equally partake in GATE. So the graduate aptitude test in engineering. So this is for graduate aptitude test in engineering, those that want to go for further studies after being graduated from engineering. So GATE, G-A-T-E, stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So it is for engineering students who want to study for a master's degree in India. It's a national level online examination held in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Ethiopia, and the United Arab Emirates, that is the UAE, to test concepts in engineering, mathematics, science, and general aptitude tests for admission into master's degree courses. No wonder Indians seem to be doing very well in engineering, because if you notice, like, they do very well, and many of the textbooks they use around in some parts of the world, like in Africa, are usually written by Indian authors. So kudos to them. I've seen one of the reasons, like, they take care of their engineering like the engineering graduates and those studying engineering, they take care of them so that they will be the best. Nice one to India. Then in the 7th place, we have CCIE. CCIE is organized in the US. It stands from Cisco Certified Internet Work Experts. So this is Cisco Certified Internet Work Experts. So as the name implies, we already know that it's talking about IT, about internet work, and so on and so forth. Then the 6th place, we have CFA. CFA is organized in the US and Canada. It stands for Chartered Financial Analyst. Chartered Financial Analyst. So it has to do with those in accounting, management field, you understand? So I think that's what it entails. Those that are into the financial sector, CFA, organized in the US and Canada. Then in the 5th place, we have GRE. We all know GRE. GRE stands for Graduate Record Tests. GRE usually written in many parts of the world, usually for those that want to gain admission into schools in the US and Canada. So this GRE is known as the 5th toughest examination in the world. If you're written GRE, you will have an idea of what they're talking about. So it's kind of tricky. You need to prepare very well for you to be able to score well. So it's a nice exam, so it's not be for children. Now for people who read, do you understand? Okay, so usually organizing is usually taken is owned by the US and Canada, basically the US. So there are schools in Canada, some schools in Canada, you probably make use of GRE. Then in the 4th place, we have Mensa. Mensa is organized in England. The origin is from England. So Mensa is a special society test only for very smart people. So only smart people can join. So the Mensa IQ test checks reasoning and problem solving. So those that want to come and show that they can, like, you understand, they can do it. So Mensa. Then in the 3rd place, we have UPSC exam. UPSC stands for Union Public Service Commission. So it's usually conducted for civil servants in India. So it's conducted for those that want to join the civil service. So it's a civil service examination, CSE, in India. So if you want to join civil service, like those that work in government parastatals, this is the kind of exam they write for them to be taken. Men, for civil service, interesting. In India, they already joke, they already civil service writing exam that is known as the 3rd toughest examination in the world. You know, India, the high population, like they are the most populated country in the world. So for them to select, they need to give this kind of test to be able to select. You understand? To be able to select, and I believe they should be paying well for them to or conduct this kind of tough examination. Then the toughest examination in the world, second toughest examination in the world is IIT JEE exam. IIT JEE exam is conducted in India. So it stands for India's Joint Entrance Examination. IIT JEE is an entrance exam conducted by the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, to select students for their undergraduate engineering program. So this exam is conducted in India. If you want to study in India, you want to study engineering in India, this is the kind of the exam you write for you to be selected to study engineering. So engineering, you have courses like chemical engineering, agricultural and bioresources engineering, petroleum engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, industrial production engineering, polymer and textile engineering, software engineering, computer engineering, mentioned computer engineering, gas engineering, and so on and so forth. So this is the kind of exam they write. An exam that is recorded to be as the second toughest examination in the world. Interesting. So that's why Indian engineers, they are doing well. Many of them are doing well. Those of them that went through the process, they are doing well. Then in the first place, as the toughest examination in the world, guys, before that, if you like content like this, like, comment, and share. So the toughest examination, the exam that is done as the toughest in the world is Gaokao exam, written in China. So this exam is written in China, Gaokao exam. The National College Entrance Exam. So Gaokao is required for undergraduate admissions to all higher education institutions in the country, that is China. It is taken by high school students at the end of their final year, usually held in early June. The first was held on 15 to 17 August 1957. So Gaokao exam, if you want to enter into the higher institution, just like we have in Nigeria, they write JAMB in Nigeria, that is organized by they write UTME, that is Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam, organized by JAMB, Joint Admission and Matriculation Board. So this is synonymous to JAMB in Nigeria. This Gaokao in China is synonymous with the JAMB we write in Nigeria. No wonder, like in that case of India, with those the engineering exam being ranked among the toughest exams in the world. If you notice recently, over the years now, engineering, those that apply to study engineering usually turn out to be one of the best in JAMB. Over time, they've been among the best. But if you notice in 2025 JAMB statistics, you find out that of the 10th best result in JAMB written in Nigeria, UTME, 10 of them are going for engineering courses. So engineers, they are not smiling. See another one. Thank you.